you know, very short. Like when I put my glasses on, this stuff sticks out.
You don't
so
like
I want that gone.
So they're just tapered low.
Not bald, but
tapered low.
Yes.
Yeah. Stay
But
to the top.
yeah. All this stays just shorter because I can put some gel in it and get some curl up there.
Go ahead.
And then this back here
It's just going to be
tapered off. Like, like to here.
Yes.
Little longer, tapered off.
Gotcha.
That's the haircut I had and kept it going.
For a while.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just took a chance and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women I'll be bad because the fuck was nice. But yeah, I must admit that this ain't overnight. I just hit the double with the jackpot. I'm in the snow, that's in New England, but I'm dying high. Now I'm an addict for the music when I can't stop. Ain't gon' let me anywhere to ask me. Ask a favor, what a shout out time.
So guys, right here I started to do a 0 degrees cut, only to find out that she said no, I want it lower in the back. So I had to go back in after this here and then taper it. See, she's showing me she wants it a lot lower in the back. She really wanted her hair really low. She said to me she's that lady a little bit up in age right now, and she just wanted to be as comfortable as possible. So I did exactly what the client wanted.
Never tried, want a better life, I had to put my all in this. I call the shots, I never call it quits. Trust my intuition, bet it's right and bitch it often is. Seen too many others come and go, they had the wrong intent. Do it out of love and never for it, then I watch it get bigger than expected, don't second guess it, I let it set it. It's God's plan, we out here only accepting blessings. I'm stuck with it, this mindset is terminal. In and out different terminals, leveling up is personal. Now I already made it, y'all can miss me. Now I already made it, y'all can miss me. Hard to believe I made something from nothing. No hindsight discussions, I've been writing, I love it. City lights, all this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck is where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had to try, I bet it right. Shining on the city lights, all this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck is where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had to try, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a chance and yeah, let me write. I just took a chance and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women I'll be bad because the fuck was nice. But yeah, I must admit that this ain't overnight. I just hit the double with the jackpot. I'm in the snow, that's in New England, but I'm dying high. Now I'm an addict for the music when I can't stop.
A little lower.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, to ask me, ask a favor, what a shout out time gas me. Really, they ain't take a risk, but want the outcome. Then asking how come. I've been signing on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right.
Not sticking out, no. You have to know how to cut around the colic so it don't stick out. A lot of people fight with getting around the colic, I'm telling you, yeah.
And some people have worse colic than
others. It's really, you have to know how to around it.
Second guess it, I let it set it. It's God's plan, we out.
that hair straight.
Just a little
Okay, so I'm just gonna
do you.
Now I already made it, y'all can miss me. Now I already made it, y'all can miss me.
Yeah, here's good. I love cuts, I'm telling you, this is me, 24/7. Let me show you how the back and everything looks.
Now different terminals, leveling up is personal.
See the colic is hidden? It's not sticking out.
Yeah,
Yeah. You will see once it's dry. Hold on, let me just finish dust you up and you should be good to go. Oh my God.
All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right.
See you again. Yes. Come right here, let me dust right here. back. Can I get a picture in the back? Go ahead and yeah. Awesome. You like it, Mary?
I love it.
There you go.